Students, today we will discuss ports in computer. Children, as you can see this picture, this is the back side of CPU cabinet box and there are ports we use to connect different external devices. Like PS2 port, keyboard is used to connect the keyboard. PS2 port, mouse is used to connect the mouse. USB ports, there are two USB ports used to connect the different types of external devices. Ethernet port, as the name is, used to connect the Ethernet cable used in networking. Serial port, dial-up modem is used to connect the old types of external modems. LPT1 printer port is used to connect the printer, and VGA port, visual graphic adapter port, is used to connect the monitor. Now we will understand what is computer port. Children, computer port is an interface or a point through that we connect external devices to the computer system, or we can say we connect external devices to the internal components of a computer system, like we can connect mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Now children, we will discuss some features of ports. First is that port is used to connect the external devices to the internal components of computer system with the help of cables. Once there is a connection between the external devices and computer system, data can be flow. For example, when we connect printer with a cable and ports, data from computer's memory can transfer to the printer for printing, and after that children we get the hard copy. Another example of keyboard. When we press keys to type some letters, characters, that data travel from keyboard to the computer's memory. So once there is a connection, data can be flow. And ports are the slots actually on the motherboard that is used to connect the external devices. Children, there are different types of ports as I told you. So we will discuss few of them. First is serial port. As you can see the picture, it is the oldest type of port, children, and basically used to connect the external modem and old type of mouse. Children, modems are used to connect the computer system with telephone line to use the internet facility. And children, in case of serial port, data travels at very slow speed, sequentially one by one bit at a time. Parallel port. Children, parallel port is generally used to connect the scanners and printers, but because we connect printer mostly, so it is also known as a printer port, and it is a parallel port because multiple bits can be transferred at a time parallelly, and transfer rate is 8 bits at a time. PS2 port. As I told you, PS2 port is used for keyboard also. PS2 port is used to connect the mouse also. As you can see, the purple port is used for the keyboard and green port is for the mouse. Children, these two ports were using with the old types of keyboard and mouse. But nowadays we are using the USB port to connect the mouse and keyboard. Universal Serial Bus Port, generally known as a USB port. Children, nowadays it is a standard port to connect the different types of external devices. We can connect mouse, we can connect keyboard also, and also we can just connect the printer, scanner. So these are the port used for different types of devices, and USB port was introduced in 1997. And data transfer rate is very much high, children, from megabits to gigabits per second. One more specialty of USB port is that, children, that when we connect a device with USB port, the device gets power from the USB port. So now children, we have completed our topic today. Please revise the port that we have discussed. Thank you.